I recognise, for the right honourable gentleman, this may very well be the last time that he has an opportunity to face me across this dispatch box. Certainly, if his members of Parliament have anything to do with it, I accept that he and I don't agree on everything. Well, actually, probably we don't agree on anything. But I must say to him that he has made his mark. Let's just think of some of the things that the right honourable gentleman has introduced. He wants coal mines without mining them, submarines without sailing them, and he wants to be Labour leader without leading them. One thing we know, whoever is Labour leader after their leadership election, it will be the country that loses.
Order! Can I just point out to the House that progress today at this question time session has been absurdly slow. Absurdly slow. And I ask the House, on behalf of our constituents, to show some respect for those colleagues who want to question the Prime Minister.